So after we already load the ink to the print head, to the damper, and also we adjust the cap station position already, and also be sure the print head surround gap, the same gap distance between the print head and caps for the wet ink and for color ink print head, and for wet ink caps and the color ink caps, all the distance for top, bottom, left, right is the same. Then we go to the software and we choose clean, and we choose strong, always strong, to load the ink to the print head. Then the print starts to pump ink, and also we must be sure all the switches is on. You must be sure all the switches is open, without close, and also the switch here is also open. And we see if the inks pump to the bottle. We do this procedure for several times, so we can see the color ink and the white ink all are coming out. Ink start pump from the waste ink tank. Waste ink tank here. We do the procedure for several times. We choose clean, always strong clean. Again, here we can see the pump start pump ink. See the white ink is pumping out. And also we can open the cover, acrylic cover at the top front. Here we can remove it. Then we can see the color ink coming out. Then the wiper start wiping. The color ink, white ink all are pumping out to the waste ink tank here. And we must pay attention to the waste ink tank. When it's full, we must take it out to keep it empty. And also we can see the print head from this. We can take out the cover. We can see the cap station easier. This is the position. The cap station and the print head must be surrounded at the same edge, same gap. Let me do the cleaning job again and show how the cap station working. It goes clean, always strong. Here we can see the cap station start to moving down, then moving up. Then the pump start to pump ink. Waiting for several seconds. Then the cap station moving down, and the waste ink come to the waste bottle. Then the catch moving out, the wiper moving up to wiper the waste ink out. Then moving down. Then go back to home position. And flushing a little bit then back to the top for keep weight. Now we splash the waste ink for flashing. Then go back for keep weight. Then finish. So this is all the procedure for the up-down motion cap station. Anyway, we must be sure we have the white ink and the color ink pump out from the cap station, from the print head and damper. If you cannot get the ink pumping out, you need to double check if the damper is loosened, or the connection is not good, or the cap station position is not good. So if we cannot get a good nozzle check print, the ink cannot go through really well. And by cap station, we still cannot get good results. So we can use the manual suction tools for backup, for test. So we move the carriage to the left side, and then we open the left cover. We can see the print head from here. This is the color print head, and this is the white print head. And we use the tools, we connect with the injection, and we connect at the middle of the print head surface. And we pour injection to pump the ink out by hand. So we can see the ink is coming out. Then we connect the cap station, and then we hold it by this way. We put it inside, we pull it out, so we can see the ink is coming out. We pull it by several times. To make the ink coming out, and then we wipe out at the tissue. Find out the tissue. Please do not use the paper, use the tissue to wipe the surface of the print head by one direction. And for wipe the color print head, the white print head must use different sides. And then we try to pump out the color print head, the white print head. We pump the white print head by the same procedure. Connect, then pump. We can see the white ink coming out. This way. We pump this by several times. then we can make the ink come out easier. The ink is coming out. Then we use the tissue to wipe out. So this is a procedure to clean the printer head by manual injection tools. Thank you. So after we load ink by manually or by printer head automatically clean, and then we choose X reset to lock the cartridge back to home position. When we click X reset from the software, then the cartridge starts to move to home position. So the manually suction tool is just for test. Normally we use the head cleaning function. It's more convenient and automatically. So we can see here, this is the first print. Then after we load ink good, then we can choose a head to move the film a little bit out. Then we go to software and we choose click clean. After clean, we choose the check. We choose check. Click check. Then the cap positions are moving down. The cartridge will start to print, not check print. Also, you must turn on the vacuum. The vacuum here. And another check print stop. Okay, so after we did a good another check print, as this KCMYLCLM, all the color are printed out. Or you must be sure you can get over 90% the ink the nozzle is printed out. Then we can start to do the alignment for the print head.